Morning. How's everyone? Gosh, good to be back on. I haven't popped back on and said hello in a while. Of course, you know, everyone, you probably know my family went through a series of deaths, unfortunately, last month, and kind of threw us all sideways. And I also, you know, this is for Essential Rewards, but I also want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your prayers. They were felt. And yeah, they were felt. Thank you so much. But this is Essential Rewards, and I am going to unpack my box that I got actually a couple of days ago now, but I'm going to do it today. I just been waiting for the right time, right? Okay, without further ado, ta-da! Okay. So I needed, you know, our Essential Reward kits are bar none, and we've said this a gazillion times, you've heard this, but it's the best way to take advantage of, it's a price break on if you do the Ningxia Essential Rewards kit, or if you do the Thieves Essential Reward kit, that is just the way to do it. You're really going to save money, and you never run out, right? And that's what we don't want. And I was getting close, okay, because I do this like every 3 months actually, as far as my Essential Reward packs, okay? But I needed my Thieves restocking. And since we are in the month of September, going into that cold and flu season and all that kind of stuff, and God knows we've already been through enough, right? Get that immune system, keep it going. So I had to get my Thieves Essential Reward kit done. Okay, you get two household cleaners with your Essential Rewards Thieves kit. Okay, and then you get 2 hand soaps, of course, which is awesome. Gotta have those. And of course, 2 of the Thieves sprays. These go with me everywhere. Airplane seats, spray it right down. If you have to go to a convenience store or something like that and have to go to the restroom, you know, take this, spray it down before you, yeah, definitely, okay? Really important. Grocery carts, yep, because we don't always know if they clean them or not, right? Right now is really super important for that. Also, we cannot have enough of these. Our hand sanitizers, gotta have them. Keep them with you, use them. Okay, and then also our fabulous Thieves toothpaste and our Thieves mouthwash. Use them every day. Love them, love them, love them. And of course, let's not forget, gotta have this and keep this on stock, especially right now, is your Thieves 15 ml of Thieves essential oil. Okay, that's your Essential Reward kit. Now, along with that, I added some other things that were super important for me. Now, I have found, of course, I love the New Bloom skincare line that we introduced at convention this year. All right, now, let me tell you, this right here, I have found that I only ran out every month, I only run out of this, the cleanser, for some reason. The essence I still have, and then the lotion, I still have that. That'll last 2 months. This is every month, though. I have found that out. So, I had to get some more of that. And another little added bonus, of course, is I get more flowers to color. Yippee. Y'all remember seeing my flowers? My vase, my vase? I've got more. So I'm really happy about that. I'll be coloring those and including those in my little vase. Anyway, so I'm happy. All right, so also Super Bee. Gotta have my Super Bees, my D's, my Super Bees, gotta have them. Anyway, so yeah, I needed more bee. And I was out, I love this, guys. I love this so much. I love the lotion. I just actually put it all over me just a couple minutes ago, actually. And I love this, but this Sensation bath and body gel, you know, bath and shower gel, excuse me. Yep, I was out of that, so I had to get some more of that. It smells so wonderful. And it was time, oh yeah, gotta have this too. It was time to replenish my laundry soap. Since I was doing the Thieves thing, I figured I might as well, yeah. And I was out of this, actually. I completely ran out. And I was like, oh no. But it came just in time before I had to wash clothes again. So that was great. Now, along with that, I had to get some more of the Thieves Vitality. Y'all know how much I love my Vitality oils. and my rack that's in my kitchen, I keep it stocked. And so I was running low on this, didn't want to run out. So got me some more Thieves Vitality. And coming up, girls, ladies, and gentlemen, coming up in this season, fall, oh, one of the most favorite things that I always diffuse during this time is cinnamon bark and orange. It is the most amazing combination. And so I was running real low on cinnamon bark. So I didn't just get one, I got two. So I'm ready for October and November. Bring it on, baby. And then, you know, it comes up right after that, right? I love these because I love these stocking stuffers too. They're perfect because everybody loves Christmas spirit. Yeah. So I've started replenishing my stocking stuffers yeah. So that's great, right? All right. So what a haul, right? Love that. So let's go over each tier and what the freebies were, right? Because, yeah. As you can see, I took advantage of all of it. So I got to get the maximum return. Okay. So of course at 100, we get free shipping now. How amazing is that? And that's not just essential rewards. That's any quick order. That's $100 or more. You get free shipping. I love that. And I will have to say, guys, even though, you know, during this time, it's been a slower processing, I still got mine in time for the middle of the month. You know what I mean? I still got it before the middle of the month. So I'm really happy about that, actually. At the 190 level, you got a 15 mil of Copaiba. I had to have that because this I use every single day. Copaiba is one of my favorites. Absolutely. Now, a bonus, if it was an essential rewards order at 190, then you also got the 5 purification. Purification is an oil that everybody should have in their arsenal. This is the everything stinky oil. I mean, I'm serious. If you want to cut smell, if you just fried some fish or whatever, cook some fish in your house and it smells fishy, put some purification in. If you just came back from the gym or a gym bag that smells a little rank, you know what I mean? Put it in a spray bottle, spray it down with purification. Serious, it's amazing stuff right here. It's an odor cutter. Love it, love it. Okay, at the 250 level, of course, I had to have this. I love our Wild branded things, right? Love our Wild branded things. And you got this nice little cooler. Oh my goodness. Wild branded cooler, of course. This is going to be going with me to the beach. Yes, in a couple of days. My friend Bill is coming in and we are going to go play. And that's when I'm using this. Actually, that will be going to the beach with me. I'm going to pack a little lunch in that. And yep, so that's going to be wonderful. At the 300 level, guys, goodness gracious, if you don't have this oil, you've got to add this to your arsenal as well. M-grain, you know what this is for, right? Anybody who has those issues, this is it. M-grain is an amazing, amazing, amazing oil. And I just love the scent of this. For some reason, I love to diffuse this. It's just, it's that special. It's special. I love this oil. Okay. Then I'm so happy. I'm getting ready to open this up and put this in my purse as soon as I do this video. But this I've really been looking forward to, and they are naturally sugar-free. And everybody knows how much I do not like sugar. So I keep sugar away from me. Sugar causes inflammation. Inflammation causes pain. And I have chronic back issues. And so I have to be very, very careful of my sugar intake. We get Thieves Mints at the 300 level also. So how about that? Isn't that amazing? Guys, actually, if you it went up to the 300 tier this month, that's $196.84 of freebies. I mean, why wouldn't you? I mean, I'm serious. I have found that if you really want to take advantage of it, it allows you to be able to share more. And of course, when we share more, that's a good thing, right? because we are introducing all of these amazing, wonderful products to those people that we care for and love. So I encourage you to do that. But anyway, I'm so glad I was able to share that with you. And once again, thank you so much for your prayers. I have really truly appreciated, and I love each and every one of you. Remember today to go out, and God meant you for greatness and to purpose, okay? And be grateful today. Be grateful. Smile. Be the light. Be the light today. I love you guys. Have a great week. Thank you. Bye.